Automatic palletizer is a high-tech product integrating machinery and electricity. Medium and low-level palletizers can meet the production needs of medium and low output. According to the required marshalling method and number of layers, the palletizers can complete the palletizing of various products such as bags, rubber blocks, boxes, etc. The optimized design makes the pallet shape compact and neat. Structural features: medium and low-level palletizers are mainly composed of flattening conveyors, slow-stop conveyors, transfer conveyors, pallet warehouses, pallet conveyors, marshalling machines, bag pushers, palletizing devices, and pallet conveyors. Its structural design is optimized and the movement is stable and reliable. The palletizing process is fully automatic and does not require manual intervention during normal operation. It has a wide range of applications. The main control components, including programmable controllers, variable frequency speed controllers, proximity switches, push-button switches and wiring terminals, are all first-class quality products, ensuring the reliability and long life of the system hardware. The combination of high-quality hardware and specialized control software designed by experts realizes a high degree of automation of the system. The perfect safety interlocking mechanism can provide protection for equipment and operators. The graphic display touchscreen makes the palletizer easy to operate and easy to diagnose faults, and it is also convenient for inspection and maintenance. Classification of automatic palletizers: stacking machine, palletizer, automatic stacker, automatic palletizer, palletizing robot. Coordinate palletizers can replace the tedious and repetitive labor of human operations to complete the full automation of production. They can operate at high speed in different environments and ensure personal health. Therefore, they are widely used in machinery manufacturing, metallurgy, electronics, light industry, and atomic energy enterprises. Coordinate Robot Palletizer Fully Automated Solution. Coordinate Robot Palletizer cooperates with filling machine, weighing machine, and packaging machine to implement linkage production. Only one person is needed to manage, or one person can watch two or more equipments at the same time, which can greatly save labor wage costs, and improve production efficiency. Coordinate Robot Palletizer is an automatic machine that imitates manual operation. It can repeatedly grab, carry product objects, or handle things according to the program to complete certain specific processes. The use of coordinate robot palletizers can replace manual labor in monotonous, repetitive or heavy physical labor, and complete the mechanization and automation of production. In the environment where labor costs continue to rise, choose coordinate robot palletizers to complete production line automation and replace manual labor. The four axes of the coordinate robot palletizer are X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis, and a rotating axis on the Z-axis to realize automatic loading and unloading functions. The stroke of each axis, the size of the gripper, and the grasping capacity can be designed according to on-site requirements. Coordinate robots are suitable for multivariety and batch operations, and play an important role in improving product quality, improving labor productivity, improving working conditions, and the rapid renewal of products. Therefore, coordinate robot palletizers are widely used in industry, agriculture, manufacturing, metallurgy, electronics, light industry, and atomic energy enterprises. Features of coordinate palletizers. 1. It occupies a small area. The coordinate palletizer occupies 3 meters, which is smaller than the robot palletizer. 2. Equipped with the same servo control system as the robot, its accuracy is the same as the robot palletizing. 3. The equipment is equipped with a buffer system to prevent the speed from being affected when transferring heavy trays. 4. The equipment is equipped with an inverted stacking correction system to prevent the stacking from collapsing, and for bags with more slippery concentrated materials, it can be easily caught. 5. It can palletize 400 to 800 times per hour, suitable for palletizing bagged, boxed, filled, bottled and other packaging materials.